Previously, I made a video where I introduced this bad boy, the ICT Concepts Indicator by LuxAlgo. And many of you, dear friends, asked me to create a strategy using it. Well, in this video, I'm excited to deliver on that request. This tool is an absolute game changer. It's packed with powerful features like market structure shifts, order blocks, imbalances, and liquidity zones, both buy side and sell side. By the end of this guide, you'll clearly understand how to use this impressive indicator to refine and elevate your trading approach. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to like it. Let's dive right into the indicator setup. First, let's get started by adding the ICT Concepts Indicator to your TradingView chart. If you don't already use TradingView, the link to sign up is in the description below. Choose any market or security and your preferred time frame. For demonstration purposes, I'll be analyzing the GBP-JPY pair on a 15-minute chart. Click on Indicators, type in ICT Concepts, and select the one created by LuxAlgo. Once added, you'll see a wealth of information overlaid on your chart. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll break it down so you can use each feature effectively. The first setting we'll look at is the mode. The indicator offers present mode and historical mode. Present mode focuses only on the most recent 500 bars of data, keeping your chart clean and highlighting recent market activity. Alternatively, historical mode provides a broader view, displaying past trends and data. This option is great if you prefer a more comprehensive perspective. The market structure feature helps you understand trends based on price action. It labels swing highs and swing lows, identifying shifts and breaks in market structure. Two key labels to know are: 1, market structure shift MSS. This occurs when the price breaks a swing low in an uptrend or a swing high in a downtrend, signaling a potential reversal. ITD often refers to this as a change of character or chalk. 2, break of structure bias. This happens when the price breaks a swing high in an uptrend or a swing low in a downtrend, signaling a continuation of the trend. You can customize these settings to suit your needs. Adjust the look back period for sensitivity or toggle specific labels on and off. Next, we have displacement. This occurs when price movement creates successive candles with strong momentum, characterized by large bodies and small wicks. Displacements are often linked to institutional trading and can result in imbalances or shifts in market structure. The indicator also highlights order blocks, which are zones where major buying or selling activity has occurred. These areas are crucial because they often act as key levels for price reactions. You'll see both bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks displayed on your chart. When the price breaks out of an order block, a breaker block forms, presenting new trading opportunities. You can fine-tune these features in the settings by adjusting the swing look-back period, the number of displayed blocks, and whether to use candle bodies instead of full ranges. Understanding liquidity levels is vital for predicting price movement. The indicator marks buy-side liquidity and sell-side liquidity zones, which often attract price as traders place limits and stop orders in these areas. You can adjust the sensitivity of these levels and display up to 50 liquidity boxes on your chart. The market sometimes leaves behind imbalances where not all information is reflected in the price. These gaps often attract price movement as the market seeks to fill them. The indicator identifies several types of imbalances. 1, fair value gaps, FVG. These occur when the wicks of the first and third candles in a 3-candle formation do not overlap, leaving a gap around the middle candle. 2, volume imbalances, gaps between opening and closing prices where trading activity occurred. 3, opening gaps, areas with no trading activity, typically seen at the start of a trading day or week. You can toggle these features on and off or customize their appearance in the settings. This indicator also includes new week opening gaps, NWOG, and new day opening gaps, NDOG. These are shaded areas that mark gaps at the start of a new trading week or day. Additionally, there's a built-in Fibonacci tool that connects recent features like order blocks or FEGs to help you identify retracement and extension levels. Order Crypto Arc, where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Let's look at some examples. In the first scenario, the price takes out sell-side liquidity, moves to fill a bearish fair value gap, and experiences a market structure shift. A bullish fair value gap forms, which is later retested by the price, creating a setup for a long trade. You can place your stop loss below the FVG and set your target at the next order block. Resulting in a successful trade. To step into the world of trading, look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality. A bearish market structure shift occurs in another scenario, indicating a potential short trade. You might enter, place your stop loss above buy-side liquidity, and target the next balanced price range, yielding another profitable trade. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. The ICT Concepts Indicator by Lux Algo brings together essential trading tools into one cohesive system. By mastering features like market structure shifts, order blocks, liquidity zones, and kill zones, you can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and improve your trading performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.